Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be going over how to create a new Java project in Eclipse. So let's get started. So the first thing you do is click on File and then click on New and Java Project. And then this panel is going to come up and it's going to ask you for a project name. And you can name it whatever you want. So for my purpose, I'll name it First Project. And then just click on Finish. Okay, so here's our project in the Package Explorer, and then I'll just right click on the project and click New and Class. And I'll name the class the same thing as the project, but you don't have to do that. You can name it whatever you want. So I'll just call it First Project. And then make sure before you click Finish that you have selected public static void main string arguments. And then just click Finish. So here's your project, and then I'll just show you that it runs by typing in something and printing it. So I'll type in system.out.println and I'll print hello world. Okay, and then to run this, you can just go here and click run. And then just click OK. So over here you can see it prints out hello world. So here we have successfully created a new Java project in Eclipse. So if you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if you want me to upload more of these type of videos.